In this video, we are going to be covering how to get your Polygon wallet address on Yellow Card. Yes, I received a comment requesting to make a video on that, how to get a USDt Polygon wallet address on Yellow Card. So that's what we are going to be covering in this video. Yes, for us to get started, you need to, first of all, you need to have an account on Yellow Card. Yeah, I'm going to leave a link in the description in case you've not signed up yet. You'll simply click the link to sign up, and then in case you already have the account, simply log into your account with your credentials. Yes. Once that is done, you need to confirm your PIN, your login PIN, and then you log into your account. Yes, so once you're logged into your account, yeah, the next thing will be now where to find the Polygon wallet address for USDT. Yeah, so for us to do that, you simply need to go to where there is wallets. Once you go to where there is wallets, we shall check for where there is USDT, or actually let's go to coins. And then we shall click on USDT. Shall click on USDT. Yes, so once you're here, we see we have here, as we see here, we have buy, we have sell, we have send, we have receive. Yeah, so what we are going to click on is receive right here. Yes, so you're going to click on receive, and then here they are telling us to choose a network. Yeah, so here we have various networks that we can use to receive USDT. We have Solana, we have Celo, we have Ton, we have Polygon, and we have TRC20. Yes, so here they are cautioning us, they are telling us to make sure we check the network of the recipient wallet to ensure USDT is sent via the same network. Yes, so in case you make a mistake and you have varying networks, either the sender or the receiver is using a different network to send USDT, that USDT will be lost. So you have to make sure that the network you're using is the same. Yes, so here we see Solana, there is a fee of 0.09 something, and we have Celo, this one is free. Then when you use the Ton network, there is a fee that is incurred. Then when you use Polygon network, it is also free. When you use TRC20, there is a fee of 1.5 USDT. Yes, so what we are going to do is you come to where there is Polygon, because this is the wallet address that we need. You click on Polygon. Yes, and then this is the USDT wallet address right here. Yes, so the network is Polygon, and then the USDT wallet address is here. Yes, so you simply copy this and share it with whoever wants to send you the USDT, but they also have to make sure they use the same network, because in case, for example, if for you here you share a wallet address of the network which is Polygon, and then the other one goes and uses Solana or uses Celo or uses Stone, those funds will be lost. So they all have to be, you all have to be using the same network. Yeah, so that's it basically. That's how you get the Polygon wallet address on Yellow Card. Yes, so you can also decide to use the QR code. You share the QR code, and then once it is scanned, someone can easily share the USDT that they need to share with you. So that's it basically for this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave your views in the comment section, and any suggestions you may be having, leave them in